What is picnic? A picnic is more than eating a meal. It is a pleasurable state of mind.
Picnic with family is a great way to spend quality time with your family members. Picnic helps to improve family bonding, mental health, physical health, and many more. Thank you.